I'm with Jonathan Hendrix at Buckingham, Illinois today, and we just looked at his Heston unit that he's got Proserve equipment based on, and we're now taking a look at what's this unit?
New Holland H8060.
Okay, tell me what the challenges were with this one.
The problem that we had with this one was trying to find somewhere to mount the fuel tank on here that we use for the water on here. And the biggest issue was all the panels open up on the back end with the way everything works, and there's not a lot of structural frame anywhere to add a 120 gallon fuel tank like we've got on here to make sure that we've got enough capacity when we're out cutting for a long day.
Mm-hmm.
So we ended up took us a couple of days to find area in there and build it up to be able to have that supported, but we're right outside the right side of the cab, right above and kind of inside the tire there, and we've been able to really take the entire system that we used on our Heston and compact it down in a real small area. We're still running the same setup. We come right out of the bottom of the tank to a shutoff valve, followed right away by the filter, right into the pump. We come right up to the setup up here that you can see with the Wilgers or red balls right there with the pressure regulator, where it runs right back into the top of the tank, so we have no pressure loss or anything. We've got our main pressure set up right there. You can see the big heavy hose there running down to the front of the hood that we run the 2 1/4-inch lines inside of that run down to the tips. And just like our Heston, we've got just 2 tips out there with a little bit of different protection around them to try and protect them from stones or anything that would pop up when we're cutting.
You bet. You bet. Looks like a great setup. That took you a couple hours to do that, didn't it?
Probably got a week into this one.
You bet. Well, I tell you, the key is, though, if you can get the Proserve and the Wex on that hay as you're cutting it, it's really, you begin the fermentation process. You do the absolute best job of preserving the feed value of that hay. You preserve that green color, all the things that make for good hay. I always tell guys I say, a good hay man can grow good hay without Proserve.
Yep.
But it makes it a lot easier, and a lot higher percentage of your hay is going to be first quality hay because it gives you a little more of a cushion.
Sure does.
Yeah. John, thanks for your time.
Thank you.